Hey friends, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open your Play Store, search for the Telegram app, write Telegram, and simply click on the install button. It will take a while, I guess. It actually depends on your net speed. As you can see, my app is downloaded and it's ready to open. Let's open it. And now you can start messaging or start using Telegram from here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.